Do you think Trump will be an improvement on anything?
You know, look at his track record. And this guy soaked the economy. There was just a story in yesterday's New York Times, all the tax breaks this guy's got. No, he plays the game. Another guy born on third base thought he had a home run. His father left 4 kids over $300 million. And he talks out of both sides of his mouth. You know, one time, he's going to build a military budget so big, quote, nobody's going to mess with us. What am I, 6 years old? Who are you talking to? The United States with more money than the top 7 countries combined. And you look at his policy with Israel. We just gave Israel $38 billion for military. This is one of the richest countries around, and he wants to give them more.
Well, this is what I was going to say, because, I noticed, Trump has been calling out, everybody under the sun who's been taking advantage of the U.S., whether it's Saudi Arabia or Japan or NATO or whoever, but yet, not a mention of Israel, who, in my opinion, are actually, bleeding the U.S. dry in so many ways. Why is he not mentioning Israel in this category of people who are taking advantage of the U.S.?
Because he's a slime ball, all right? What else can I say? He's a disgusting, hypocritical slimer.
Mm. And he's got a big voting bloc over there of Christian Zionists, which I think is an oxymoron that he has to appeal to, who believe that everything Israel does is...
Well, his daughter's married to a Jewish guy. She converted. So that's part of it.
Yeah.
I make it clear, don't anybody tries to throw this anti-Semitic crap on me.
I get it all the time. Go ahead.
Yeah, look, I mean, I make it clear. Well, the last 3 women I went out with were Jewish, and at one point half my staff was. I got a load of Jewish friends, and they're all against, what's going on in Israel and everything else. So I always make it really clear like this. I don't want to give my money to Italy, and I'm Italian descent. So if I don't want to give it to Italy, what makes you think I want to give it to Israel?
Yeah.
So just at the beginning and the end of the story. I want my money staying in America. I don't work to give my money to Israel. I don't break my back day in and day out to pay taxes so they could steal my money and give it to who they want.
Yeah, and commit genocide in Palestine.
Yeah. So I don't want any part of it. It's an apartheid state. It's not my kind of trip.
No, it's not my kind of trip either. But again, I think this is part of the brainwashing. There's almost a complete blackout in the media there, and everything that Israel does is just wonderful, and we need to support them come what may. And I noticed that Trump, on that issue, he initially said he was neutral with the Israeli-Palestine conflict, and then now it's the rhetoric of we're right behind Israel. That really put me off the guy, But
yep, he's a reality show champion.
Mm.
And that's the end of it, he's a reality show. We own the trademark presidential reality show.
Yeah, that's what it is, yeah.
We got it before he got into the race. Obama was the reality show champion. When he was running in 2007, he was behind Clinton. Oprah Winfrey never, ever supported a candidate. She came out for Obama, took him under her wing, and turned her into a Harpo production, a teleprompted fraud. Lied his way into office, and he's lying his way out. And I've been on Oprah twice. I've been on everybody. I have every major news show, morning news, evening news, and nobody ran a show like Oprah. She didn't become the queen of TV for nothing. So what I'm saying is all this is a reality show.
Yeah.
And that's why Trump, we believe, is going to win.